Yo, what's up? My name is Maulana Fajar Ramadhan. My number name is 11522000361, and this is my friends.
My name is M.Ferza Aldy, and my number name is 11522000373.
Okay, we're here to explain about zero waste lifestyle. Okay, let's start. Hi. Let's talk about zero waste lifestyle. To put it simply, living a zero waste lifestyle means producing absolutely no waste. In the sense, you boycott trash. Making a transition toward a no waste life is as easy as going without a straw for your smoothie. Not having a receipt printed at checkout or taking your coffee to go is reusable milk. All inevitable waste is reduced and reused. Recycle it if necessary or composted. Clever zero waste. Keep unavoidable waste like medicine bottles to an absolutely minimum. The key to living a zero waste lifestyle is using your creativity and resource carefulness.
According to the last data from the EPA in 2018, the average American produced approximately 4.9 pounds of garbage per day. That's up from 4.5 pounds a day in 2017. That translates to a yearly total of around 292.4 million tons of trash. 23.7 million tons more than 2017, half of which was sent directly to landfills. Almost 94 million tons of that was recycled or compost, equivalent to around 3,000%. It's no surprise that consumer product packaging material make up the largest percentage of waste paper bag, to 23.05% glass, 4.19% metals, 8.78%, and plastic 20.2%. Next best alternative to proper recycling method is creating no waste in the first place. Living was free with a zero waste lifestyle some recovers and protect the environment by avoiding toxic substances EAS in plastic packaging. You also protect your health and that of there's so many kind of the waste lifestyle.
1. The zero waste home. The crucial part of the successful zero waste lifestyle is maintaining a zero waste household. A proper zero waste home is plastic free and does not contain items that cannot be recycled or composted. Zero waste practice plastic free shopping and stick to reusable alternatives to many regular household items. There are zero or low waste toothpaste and zero waste deodorant. Use electrical applicants like computer, phones, or refrigerator as long as possible, and repair them when you can. If you can't save the appliance or device, make sure to dispose of it properly.
Airbag really start to pile up when you've been grocery shopping. If often feel like the bulk of what you carry home from the supermarket is actually just packaging waste bags, cups, or clothes you use once throw away. Zero waste living is less is more lifestyle. Don't put out waste. Grocery shopping law was in double boat. I need to plan ahead. For example, keep a canvas or tote bag on you to buy loose goods and carry them home. However, admittedly, things get a bit thicker with food like pasta or rice than come hygiene items, washing and cleaning against that seem to make a zero waste life all but impossible.
3. Reusable packaging. Believe it or not, it's also possible to maintain a zero waste lifestyle when grocery shopping. Remember this to keep your errands waste free. Choose reusable instead of disposable and glass instead of plastic. For example, milk, yogurt, and cream are available in reusable glass bottle in almost all supermarkets. At some fresh produce counters in the supermarket and farmers market, you can have sausage, cheese, antipasti, or spritz package in the tin you brought along. Without any packaging wasted, hunt around your neighborhood for stores that support the zero waste movement. Even better, with more people looking to go no waste, more and more zero waste shops are popping up across the country. Zero waste stores offers you the option to bring in your own containers and fill them. Often a step discount with pantry staples and eco-friendly cleaning products.
You can easily find unpacked furniture like tables and dressers and household items like dinnerware and cooking utensils at your local flea market, second-hand shop, or in local Facebook groups. These are all things that you don't have to buy. New used furniture can have a vintage look with more character and is often better quality than new. Keep can store furniture now. We have to think about clothes. Fast fashion has many of use. It scripts the fashion industry has convinced us that forever updating our wardrobe is necessary or even better normal, and once we're done with one season collection, we don't think twice about tossing it. Here a solution: create your own minimalist wardrobe and say goodbye to clothes clothing. Sears for the perfect outfit every morning. Thrift stores are a great place to start this leg of your journey to go no waste.